Time for a new project. And many of us will be switching to Adobe Premiere Rush. I want to show you how to install that on a PC if you've never used it before. Down here at the bottom, when I say look in the search bar, this is the search bar at the bottom of the screen. It's right next to those 4 blue squares. Type in Adobe, and you're looking for Adobe Creative Cloud. That's the best place to start. If you're not already seeing all the apps that you have installed, click on the apps button, and you are usually looking for 2 different things. One is Adobe Premiere Rush, which is our video editing app. Here it is, RU. If you don't have it installed, instead of the open button, there'll be a button that says install. Click on that and install it. And you also are probably looking for Photoshop, which is PS. So if you have a little button that says install, click on install, and they will both be installed to your machine. Once that's done, if you go to the bottom and type in Rush, you will see Adobe Premiere Rush, which is an app. Click on open, and you'll probably have to log in with your Adobe account. Then I want you to go to the Rush icon in the bottom search bar and right click. Once you do that, click on Pin to Taskbar, and the Rush icon will always be right here. Then let's do the same thing for Photoshop. I typed in Photoshop, I've got the app installed, so I just click open. You'll probably have to log in maybe more than once. Then the Photoshop icon is right here at the bottom of the page. So right click, Pin to Taskbar, and then no matter what, everything is bookmarked right here at the bottom. So each day when you come in, if the apps are closed, double click and Rush will open. Or double click and Photoshop will open. And when you first log in with Rush, you may see a welcome screen that has a button at the bottom that says Start Now or Let's Go or something like that. Whatever it says on the button, click it. And then we are ready to go. Thanks, bye-bye.